So traders, an update on gold, silver, mining stocks. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alright, traders, so let's get straight into a bit of an update on what's happening with the gold and silver and the mining stocks today. We can see that gold right now is still just it hasn't done anything, has it? Like gold's like, oh, put me to sleep. But you know what, traders? Here's the really interesting thing. When this this market's putting me to sleep, you know what that represents? That represents market not doing anything. You know what it also represents? The market building energy. I guarantee you that when this starts to break, now where it breaks, I don't know. It's probably going to be to the downside as the stocky market or as the market of stocks continue to sell off. So, but I don't know where it's going to break out. But mark my words. Mark my words. This here, where it's like, this is called the market going to sleep. Okay? Yeah, it's a sleepy pattern, right? It's a sleepy pattern. Zzz, right? Zzz, 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 right? It's having a sleep. What happens when you wake up? Well, for most people, it's like, oh, fuck, I've got to go to work today. Right? But what happens when you wake up and you're or let's just say, for example, you're excited to go on a holiday and you wake up in the morning. Or for example, when you're a kid, right? And it's Christmas time. You go to sleep, you wake up, guess what happened? Oh, you're buzzing, right? You're ready to go. Oh my goodness. This is you Christmas Eve. You're going to sleep and then suddenly you wake up and you're all excited and you're out of here. Or you're out of here. One of these, right? That's what the market is doing right now. And so a lot of traders, when they see the zzz time, the sleepy time, where it's like, wake me up when it's, what's that? Wake me up when it's all over? Actually, no. Wake me up when you actually start to do something. This is the time to start to keep a real big close eye on gold, because if we could start to get a very strong move, okay, whatever happens here, if we start to get a very strong move like this, guess what? Then that's the kid just waking up on Christmas morning, and then they're off with the present, right? They're off, Or we do something like this, and we do something like that, and then guess what? And we're off, right? It's the same thing. We're just doing nothing, which is just we're refueling, we're resting, and then we're getting ready for a big move. So gold is going to make a big move. And especially when you look at the longer term charts, like look at this thing. When it breaks, it's going to be on like Donkey Kong. On the silver. All right. And silver. A bit of a down day today on silver. Not really much today. If I go to my hourly charts, you can see silver's actually just been sort of just flattening out a little bit. In fact, that actually could be... I tell you what, there actually might be a trade for me on silver. I like this. Remember I said before, traders, about, the market not doing much? Look at this here. Look at this. Right? See that? Look what that's doing. Remember I said before about the market going to sleep, traders? Look at this here, right? Market goes to sleep. Oh, market wakes up. Market goes to sleep. Market wakes up. Now, you don't know how big it is going to be. But generally speaking, as you can see, it goes to sleep for a little while, we have a little move. We go to sleep for a medium sort of time, we have a medium move. We go to sleep for a lot of time. If we could start to, especially because the trend is up on this 15-minute chart, I'm actually going deep, y'all. I'm going deep, y'all, on the silver chart. Because we're having these major higher lows, if we can get something like this and then something like that with the silver chart, me happy. Actually, that'll probably going to be a trade for me. Interesting. Anyway, I'm just doing my TA. Anyway, so that's the short term charts, guys. Short term TA. That's the short term, couple of hour type of trade. Maybe maybe even like even a 15-20 minute short term cash flow generator trade, as I talk about it. Or it might be something else. So, but looking at this chart here, guys. We're not out of the woodworks yet. We are not out of the woodworks yet. Look at what's happening here with silver. Remember I said before, when the market goes sleepy, What's the market doing right now? Ooh, we're going sleepy, aren't we? This is the time, traders, okay? This is the time to be alert because, yeah, we can break up, right? Through my last videos that I've done over the last couple of days, I've never said the market's definitely going to break down, but I've always said the caution is this line here. Let me actually just remove that off the screen. The caution is this line here because right now we're doing what? We're doing sleepy, aren't we? We're going sleepy for a while. Look at this here. Sleepy, move. Sleepy, move, right? It just happens. Look at this here. Sleepy, move. Sleepy. You know, do you get what I'm trying to say, traders? Sleepy, and then we have a move. So whenever the market's sleepy, guess what? We're probably likely to start a move. And if the market starts to do something like this, and then we break down like that, guess what? Well, the market's sleepy, and now we're getting ready for a move. And especially if it does do something like that, guess what? We're probably going to rally up to around about 50% of the bar, then come straight back down again, right? So we really need to be Caution is right now about what's happening here. And again, traders, the way that I'm seeing the good old market of stocks, that looks like that we may be getting everything sell off. That's going to be a buying opportunity, guys. Buying opportunity of a lifetime. Buying opportunity of a lifetime. Now, look at the mining stocks itself. And again, the same sort of thing here. Let me just take everything off the screen here for a minute. All right, the same sort of thing here. What's happening right now, traders? Well, we're going sleepy, aren't we? Not really doing much. Remember I said before, guys, right? When the market goes sleepy for a while, guess what happens? We go move. Sleepy, we have a move, right? So we're going for the sleepy time, right, guys, traders? So get ready because the market is resting right now. It's getting ready for a big move. So we need to be cautious here because if you are hoping this goes up and you're a trader, not an investor, I'm an investor in the mining sector. I have a long-term position. But if you're a trader and the market does something and you're hoping it's going to go up and the market does that, then that should be your confirmation to be getting out of. Well, actually, I can't tell you what to do because you have a system. Or hopefully you have a system. That's going to tell me, it's going to give me confirmation now. We're now likely to start to see the market going down. Same for the SIL as well too. This is actually looking not good at all. Look at this here. Spaghetti-o, right? It's not looking too good, traders, especially we're doing two things here, right? We're doing two things here. One, we're sleepy. So when we go sleepy, get ready for a move. Okay? Sleepy, get ready for a move, right? So when the market goes sleepy, get ready for some sort of a move. So when the market goes sleepy, get ready for a move. But on top of that, let's go deep, y'all. On top of that, look what's happening here. Traders, this is high, low. We have a bit of a double bottom through here. High, look at this here. It ripped a lower low. You'd probably say a bit of a double bottom if you use the wick, but the closes was a lower low. Now it ripped a lower high. Traders, this is actually a pretty bearish pattern. And if we get something like this and then a breakdown like that, traders, it's on like Donkey Kong to the downside. Let me share with you an example here, okay? Let's actually bring up a trade here, okay? Look at SHOP, right? What do we have here with SHOP? So I'm just using this analysis here, right? Low, bit of a double bottom, and then we had sort of like an equal bottom through there, right? Low, rallied up, came down. Look at this here. A lower high, then it came down and ripped a lower low, lower high, and then broke, and then we had a move down. And it broke that lower low, lower high, breaking past this low was the selling point we got with SHOP. So same for the SIL. It's actually giving us a warning sign right now. It's saying, hello, warning, look what's happening here. All right, the market is always talking to us. The market's always giving us some sort of understanding or what's going on with these markets. And so when we're trading these markets, traders, it's important to continue to look at the reality of it. One of the biggest mistakes I've made over the last 17 years I've been involved with these markets, and the thing that's caused more nuggets in my pants than anything else is the fact that I have traded based off what I wanted to see, not what the reality is. And it's always important for me to trade based off reality, because if I'm trading and I'm just totally ignoring what the market is telling me, but the reality is the market's trying to tell me something, then guess what? You can ignore the reality, but I can't ignore the consequences of ignoring that reality. And most of the time I get a nugget in my pants because it's like, shit, why did that happen, right? And traders, I'm not perfect, right? But I haven't done it for a long time when it comes to the markets here. But that's the most important part, is continue to read it. Even if you are bullish. Traders, I am bullish on the mining sector long term, but that's short term sort of stuff. Short term, what we're talking about here right now, traders, it's not looking too good. So traders, when I first started trading, I lost $250,000 trading the markets. And then I got access to a few 7-figure mentors that really set me straight on what I need to do with the foundations, how to read the charts, the trading systems, the mindset, so on and so forth. And then that was the massive turning point for me to be doing really well from actual trading and being successful trading. So what I've done is I've created a course called the Breakthrough Course. And what I've done is I've actually put a whole bunch of really good education and strategies and processes that helped me go from $250,000 in debt to then actually becoming a full-time trader, making a full-time income from trading. And I'm actually running a flash sale to that trading course. So if you go to johnsflashsale.com, or there should be a link in the description. If there's not, then go to johnsflashsale.com. That's JOHNS flashsale.com. Go to johnsflashsale.com and you'll be able to get access to this course now for $7. So go get access to that right now, guys, and I'll see you real soon.